Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know it is time to change your cabin air filter? The cabin air filter should be replaced every 10,000 miles to 20,000 miles. However, you may need to replace your cabin air filter a lot sooner depending on the area you live. It depends on the air quality and the road that you drive on frequently. The cabin air filter is part of your HVAC system, and its main purpose is to remove pollutant that can enter inside your cabin, such as dust, rocks, leaves, and so on. As mentioned earlier, the cabin air filter should be replaced every 10,000 to 20,000 miles. However, you may need to replace the cabin air filter sooner, and I'm going to tell you guys some of the common reasons why. The first reason why you should replace your cabin air filter a lot sooner is going to be odd smell inside your cabin. If you notice a musty smell, moldy smell, you notice a foul odor, or it smells like vinegar inside your cabin, it is time to change your cabin air filter. The next common reason why you should change your cabin air filter a lot sooner is going to be your environment. If you live in an environment where the air quality is extremely poor, or you live in an area where it is extremely dusty, or you live in an area where your house is right next to the freeway or highway, maybe you should consider changing your cabin air filter a lot sooner. The next common reason why you should change your cabin air filter a lot sooner is going to be, it's because you have pets. If you have pets such as cats and dogs, and you like to bring your cats and dogs with you and they're inside your cabin, you need to change your cabin air filter a lot sooner, because that cabin air filter is going to be full of animal hairs. If you start to have allergy issue when you're inside your cabin, maybe your cabin air filter is full of pollen. That is another reason why you should change your cabin air filter more frequently. Another reason why you should change your cabin air filter is going to be rustling noise. If you hear rustling noise when your blower motor is spinning, I can guarantee you that your blower motor is going to be full of leaves, and also your cabin air filter is going to be full of leaves and twigs as well. The last time this cabin air filter was replaced was about 7,000 miles ago. As you can see, there's a lot of debris on the cabin air filter. There are leaves right there. More leaves. There's a feather right there. Another feather. A little bit of twigs. There's cat hairs. Let's see if I can zoom that in. Right there. Cat hairs. More feathers. So if you don't change your cabin air filter, this is what you're breathing in, and it's very unhealthy for you. When changing the cabin air filter, pay attention to the direction you should install your cabin air filter. If you install it wrong, the cabin air filter may not function properly, and it may not filter out the particles that you may be breathing in. Those are the reasons why you should change your cabin air filter more often. Since cabin air filter is extremely affordable, it usually costs less than $15, you should change your cabin air filter more often, and you can enjoy fresher air going inside your cabin. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.